Hey everyone, I'm Mel from CJ Pony Parts, and I'm here with Matt from American Powertrain. If you remember, a couple months ago, he was my first guest on the Driven by Enthusiasts podcast, and we met up with each other because, I mean, we carry American Powertrain at CJ's,
right? So
we're here to chat with him about it. So tell me about Hot Rod Power Tour and what you brought.
So this year is the 2026 Hot Rod Power Tour. This would be my 22nd Power Tour. I started in 04 doing this.
Cool.
Hot Rod's been doing this since I think 96 now.
Wow.
Or something like that. I may be off on that. But yeah, it's been going on for a long time. And it's just it's a great event because you're driving your car.
Absolutely.
And we have so many customers here. I mean, These are all customers here through here, you know. So it's a tentpole event for American Powertrain. I mean, you're out on the road, you're using your overdrive.
Yes.
It helps us sell transmissions because a lot of these guys are running these old, tired 4-speeds, and they see all their buddies running overdrive and running at highway speed. So
for sure,
it's a real test of man and machine, woman and machine as well.
Yes,
so
thank you.
Yeah, we love this event. We do it every year. We love supporting it. I've got my 83 Cadillac Coupe de Ville here. It's got a Magnum 6-speed in it from Tremec. It's got our new B-body pedals in it. They fit 77 to 91 GM B-body. It's got QA1 suspension, Bear brakes, Holley EFI. It's a great car. It's perfect for Power Tour. It's comfortable. It's got vintage air. You know.
And you said you had changed up the radio and you have nav in there.
Yeah, I've got touchscreen navigation in it. We're running 75 miles an hour at like 1,800 RPM, getting 17 miles to the gallon.
You can't beat that.
No, it's great. It's great. So yeah, this event's really been a big success for us over these years, and as long as they have it, we're going to keep supporting it. So
yes, and this Power Tour is extra special because it's the 100th anniversary of Route 66.
That's right.
And so Power Tour is covering a lot of Route 66, and not only is that a special anniversary, but there's a special 10-year anniversary that you and Tremec have going on this year.
Yes, so this is our 10th year of our transmission contest that we do, and so the last 10 years, we've been giving away a 5 or 6-speed package at the main stage at the end of Power Tour. You come by the booth, get your tickets for the week if you're a long hauler, and we put all the tickets in a bucket, and we keep pulling until we get a winner. And all these years we've done it, it's usually in the first 3 or 4 people.
That's awesome.
And it's the biggest contest on Power Tour. You'll see tomorrow when you're over there how many people there'll be there. It's
well,
crazy.
And that tells you how many people want a 5 or a 6-speed in their car.
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely.
That's incredible.
I mean, they're the first day you were here, you saw the lines.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, yes.
It's crazy.
And the people that want the 5 or 6-speed, the partnership with Tremec, and you guys provide all the other things, right? So that it goes right into the car.
Yeah, Tremec makes the transmissions, and we do all the R&D to make them fit all these muscle cars and trucks. So we have all the cross members, the bell housings, the hydraulic pedals, everything you need from the back of the block to the rear, we can do it.
That's incredible. Anything else you want to add?
No, we just want everybody needs to be out driving your car. That's what you need to be doing. Get out and drive. Don't worry about it. Just get out and drive it.
Absolutely. And that's what's so amazing about Hot Rod Power Tour is hanging out at the hotels at night.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, that's my favorite part. Is the hotels at night.
Little mini car shows.
Mini car show. Yes. Everybody's got a cold beverage. They're looking at cars. They're repairing cars.
Working on cars, yes.
I've seen people pull engines. I've seen people pull transmissions, rear ends, rebuild the entire car from top to bottom.
Yes.
And make it to the end. And that is really cool. It's a lot of work, but it's so cool. And everybody comes together to help them.
Absolutely. And that's, I always share that about car shows is that, you know, car folk, it's a family all on its own.
Yeah, absolutely. We're all a big family here. I mean, especially like all these vendors, I've been working with these guys for years. We all help each other out with our trailers or the booth, or our cars are driving on the tour, or their customers are out. We all know each other now, so it's just a great event. It's kind of a big family. So.
It is, and if anything happens along the way, someone will stop by and make sure you're good and help you out.
Yep. Yeah. We have maybe almost 10,000 cars as long haulers this year. Pretty close.
10,000 cars, and Monday was a record-breaking day with over 8,000 in Joliet at the raceway there. Yeah. It's been a big year for Hot Rod Power Tour.
Sure has. Hope they keep doing it.
Oh, I'm sure they will.
Come on out and do it, and come see us.
Put your money where your mouth is.
That's right.
Take your car out and drive it.
Yep.
All right. Thank you so much, Matt.
Thank you, Melanie. We'll see you.